Alright, I guess the subie can get some love. I ended up getting a SF carb intake. Finally, subie gets some performance mods after I've had this thing for, I don't even know, like 2 years now, maybe. Should be pretty quick though. Basura. Yeet. Ooh, crunchy. Oh shit, some USA hose clamps. Impressive. Oh shit, another USA hose clamp. Impressive. Math schmath. Like, do I even need a math, bruh? I should just install the intake and not tune it. There's a little 10mm Johnny down here. I want to install a downpipe as well, but like a catted downpipe, but Cobb actually doesn't sell it to California because of smog regulations and shit. Yep, won't be needing that. Won't be needing this. Won't be needing this. The filter, the math intake pipe. They freaking wrap this thing like a freaking salchicha. Math schmath. Came with hose clamps too. But won't you look at this? Mexico, Mexico. Hey, but they're stainless steel. Quang 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 quang. It came with hardware as well. First things first, for the boys. What the? All right. Oh no. Let's see what we got here. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Interesting. Looky who we have here.
Good,
So my guy's back from El Rancho, milking the cows.
I'm back, baby. I'm back. Damn, that shit dusty, bro. Oh man, shit, my breath.
Damn, freaking Corona up in this bitch. So I installed something. Let me know if you noticed.
Bro, no way.
What?
You got a Duralax battery,
Yeah,
dude.
no, O'Reilly's up in here. No, what do you see? What do you see?
Top.
Yeah, that was pretty much it.
Nice.
Let's go for a spin.
You have a little,
The access port.
a little,
A little,
button.
yeah, a little analog, not digital. Nah, it's digital. Let's go race some Corvettes. Oh yeah, if you guys don't know, the Corvette is down.
Hella down, but whatever.
Mucho leaky.
Also, look, check it out. I built a couple fences, you know. Check this out. Everybody come in, you know.
Yeah, you guys want some work done? Hit them up on Home
Don't
Depot.
hit me up. But yeah, I did this fence right here. Yeah, it's still not done actually. Don't look at it too closely. And then
No, yeah, it is pretty sick though, huh?
take a peek over. Put the garage door. Yawn.
Oh hell
Bike
yeah!
is for sale.
Yo, how much?
2,000.
2,000.
Supposedly gonna come to you right now.
Oh, right now?
It does sound about the same.
I put the tune on it already.
You already swapped the tune?
Yeah.
Did you show him that already?
Oh no, I didn't show the install, but yeah. So I already put the access port in there, and I put the shitty 91 gas California tune in it. Alright, so I'm about to do some pulley pulleys.
What type of pulls are we doing right now? Racetrack pulls or? God damn! Jesus, I definitely feel a difference. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it has a little more kick to it.
A little bit spicier.
Oh, we got a little knocky knock, huh? -1. I don't know what the fuck that means.
What?
Right here, feedback knock. It has -1.4. Well, I recorded it at some point. Let's see if we can hit -5.
Yeah, you can definitely hear the turbo. Breaking necks too. I like it.
It woke it up a little bit,
Yeah,
huh?
no, it's definitely.
I mean, it's still not like super quick, but it woke it up for sure. If this shit blows up, who cares, huh? We'll get a forced block.
Hell no.
It would still be slow. Like, just boxer engines are not fast.
Damn. All the fucking subie
No,
guys
like, you can push them as hard as you want, but boxer engines, just the way the pistons are laid out, it's just not.
Dude, these motherfuckers are vaping through their noses right now. The subie guys.
They're steaming.
They're steaming.
Vaping through their ears
Yeah.
right now.
It definitely handles way better than expected though, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I can put two-step now. Should we blow this shit up right now or later?
Later.
Yeah, at least a week, huh?
Better for the videos, you know?
But let me do a little pulley. Oh shit, it has clutch slip.
Yep.
What the fuck? So I guess it does have more ponies now. And I'm not swapping this shit out.
Damn. That clutch burnt the fuck up.
Yeah. I saw the RPMs just go.
Let's invite them.
I wonder if the GoPro even picks up
The pops? Oh, the spoolie boys? Probably not. But if it does, that's lit. Oh,
Yeah,
Audi.
It's really clutch slipping, huh?
Yeah, if I can smell that thing still. Look. That'll probably be an alright race. Wagon versus wagon. If it's a Quattro, yeah, it is.
I wonder if this thing weighs like a good 1,000 pounds more.
Those things are heavy as fuck too. Remember my car?
Oh yeah, that shit was heavy as fuck to push.
And then he's about to eat some pollo loco right now. That was gonna be heavy. He got a whole ass chicken right there.
Oh, we hit 13 psi max. Look. That's kind of whack, huh?
I don't know.
We
Is
should
it?
be hitting 20.
Well, don't you just press one of those buttons and then you get turbos?
Nah.
Another turbo pops out.
Side skirts?
Corn on the cob, baby. It's definitely way more noises. It's crazy, huh? That is.
All it takes is a filter. But it's because the stock one has a muffler. Like a big ass box. Kind of like the Miata.
Yeah,
oh no,
yeah.
your Miata doesn't have a muffler, huh?
Thing, yeah.
Like the, yeah.
The plastics, right?
yeah, it does. Remember?
Yeah.
Like right where the
I have the
throttle
whole
is.
thing, yeah.
Like there's that big ass box.
Yeah.
That's the muffler.
Jesus Christ. Oh,
Ah, can't brake. Ah.
Oh, dude, that was nice.
See here, officer.
Oh, I wonder how close I'm fucking holding. I was like right here. Like recording over there. Like what's it?
We're gonna record your pores opening up.
This thing felt like it pulls harder. I don't know.
More load, so it
Yeah,
builds up
like
more boost.
it's just like yeah, like a little more linear, maybe. I don't know. I was in my seat, like.
Yeah, I mean we hit 14 this time.
Oh
So
damn,
earlier
my
we-
butt dyno's good, dude. Oh, that's why some fucking switch on the Mustang. Oh, it's on fucking traffic.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Holy fucking G-forces!
That's pretty much on top of you for a second.
I almost blacked out, you know, man. It's too much G-forces.
Yeah.
Everything starts to close.
Did it spin?
Clutch did.
That's what it was. Yeah. That was way better though.
Yeah.
So damn, just get a comment already. You need a new clutch.
Yeah. And supposedly it was installed at like 70K or some shit. 90K.
Maybe just like a stock ass one though.
Yeah. Back to the trap house. See. Wrap, boys. Hey.